While inventory has risen over the past few weeks, it's nothing close to where it was before COVID. It's Friday, April 4th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Annapolis routinely carried between 300 and 500 homes for sale prior to COVID. So this week's 160 homes for sale doesn't do much for the gap in available housing. Though active inventory is a 13.5% rise over last week, 28 properties are coming soon. 40 homes went under contract in 3 median days. 30 homes sold for a 100% list to sold ratio and in 6 days. There are 30 homes for lease at $3,000 median per month. And that's your wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, April 4th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Take care.